Jodian Fearon's doctor says he did not detect heart condition.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Dr. Lloyd Goldson, the doctor of Jodian Fearon, the 23-year-old mother who died shortly after giving birth, says he did not detect any indications of his patient having a heart condition. The statement, released by his lawyer, follows what the University Hospital of the West Indies deemed as premature disclosure of autopsy findings, which suggested that Fearon died from a heart failure. Fearon died at the University Hospital of the West Indies on the 24th of April after being transferred from Spanish Town Hospital, where she had delivered her first child. I am releasing this statement through the media out of recognition of the public interest generated by the untimely passing of my patient Jodian Fearon and the many questions asked of me. The Prime Minister has ordered an investigation to see if anyone is criminally liable, and I suspect there will be other civil issues which may arise. I have given a statement to the police in the presence of my attorney, Herondale. I am indeed saddened and devastated at the passing of Jodian. It has been reported that the post-mortem revealed that Miss Fearon had a heart condition. She first came to me for antenatal care when she was 6 months pregnant. While providing antenatal care for her, I was not informed, nor did I detect on examination any indication of her having a heart condition. I am mindful of my duty to my patients, my profession and the general public, and previously made comments to the media which might have been untimely. It is understandable that the coronavirus has descended on us like a plague and is causing a tremendous amount of fear. It is important that those of us who are requested to assist those in a crisis or in need cannot fail to act or panic out of fear. My hope is that the exploration of this very unfortunate event will lead to the needed changes to ensure that it never happens again.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.